Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Children, yesterday we have discussed about the health and diseases and the condition which required for a good health and how the disease caused. Today our topic is types of disease. So there are different types of disease. First is acute disease. Second is chronic disease. Third is infectious, we can say communicable disease. And the fourth is non-infectious, or we can say non-communicable disease. So these are based on the duration. So there are different types of diseases are there. The first disease is acute disease. Diseases which last only for a short period of time and doesn't have long-term effect on health is called acute disease. For example, cough, common cold is the example of the acute disease. Children, in the acute disease, symptoms are quickly visible. We can say that in our common cold, sneezing, headache, nausea, these common symptoms are easily and quickly visible. So, it doesn't cause the long-term effect on our health. Children, in this diagram you can easily see the rhinovirus. The rhinovirus which spread the common cold. It has no cure and can live for hours outside the body. The sudden symptoms that come on without warning are tiredness, fever, headache, chills. All are the common symptoms along with nausea, sneezing. All are the symptoms of common cold. Children, the second type of disease is a chronic disease. Disease which lasts for a long time and has a long-term drastic effect on health. And the symptoms are not easily seen. So, it causes the drastic long-term effect on the human health. Example of the chronic diseases are cancer, hypertension, elephantiasis or filariasis. These are the examples of the chronic disease. The third type of the disease is called the communicable disease, or we can say infectious disease. Disease which spread from an infected person to a healthy person through air, water, food, vectors, physical contact or sexual contact. These are the infectious disease, in which the examples of the infectious disease are common cold, chickenpox, measles, typhoid, cholera, tuberculosis, malaria and the AIDS. Children, infectious disease causing by the microbes which can easily spread from one person to another person, so that it is called the communicable disease. The last is the fourth, non-infectious or non-communicable disease. Disease which are not spread from an infected person to a healthy person. For example, the type of nutritional disorders like beriberi, rickets, scurvy, night blindness, diabetes and the cancer, high BP, all are the examples of non-communicable or non-infectious disease. Children, we know the causes of the diseases are pathogens. Pathogens are the microorganisms which cause the disease, like virus, bacteria, fungi, protozoans or worms. The another cause of diseases are genetic disorders, environmental pollution, malfunctioning of body parts, poor health and undernourishment. Children, the infectious diseases which spread from one person to another easily are called the infectious disease, in which pathogens are the microorganism which causes the disease that the pathogen cannot see with our naked eyes because their size is very small. Vectors, the organism which spread the disease, like common fly, mosquitoes, housefly are the examples of vectors. Children, you can easily see in this diagram the infectious agents like viruses, bacteria, fungi, protozoans, worms. Viruses cause the disease like common cold, influenza, measles, mumps, chickenpox, AIDS, hepatitis B, and most pandemic disease COVID-19, which caused by the coronavirus. Bacteria which cause the disease cholera, typhoid, tuberculosis, tetanus, anthrax and the food poisoning. The fungi cause the skin infections or the skin diseases. Protozoan cause the malaria, kala azar, amoebic dysentery, sleeping sickness. And the last, worms that cause the disease, intestinal infections, elephantiasis, filariasis. So these are the infectious agents and which causes the different diseases. What do you mean by, children, the non-infectious disease? The disease which do not spread from one person to another are called non-infectious disease. Children, you know it doesn't spread from one person to another but are restricted to individual, generally caused by disturbed metabolism and malfunctioning of the organs. For example, cancer and the nutritional disorders like beriberi, scurvy, rickets. These are the following types of disease. Deficiency disease caused the deficiency of the nutrients or the hormones like diabetes, scurvy. Allergic disorders or the allergic disease when the body is hypersensitive to foreign elements. For example, asthma or the skin allergy is most common disease. Cancer, the uncontrolled growth of certain tissues. Tissues means group of cells having the same structure and same function. Mental disorder means depression, anxiety. Fifth is the addiction. Addiction due to alcohol, drugs. And the last, sixth, is the degenerative, means the malfunctioning of important organs. For example, heart disease.